Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Apache Guacamole on your Ubuntu 24.04 server using Docker.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Once the system is updated, let's install Docker and Docker Compose by running the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, we'll create a new folder specifically for our database and generate the initial database schema using these commands. After that, we need to create a directory for the configuration file. Using the cat command, we will define our application connection settings and other parameters. Now let's move into the project working directory and create the main Docker Compose configuration file to define our application architecture. With everything set up, start the system and wait for all the containers to download and spin up. Now open your web browser, navigate to your server IP address followed by port 8080/guacamole. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.